My dear students, welcome to chemistry class. आज आपको मैं इज मैटर अराउंड अस प्योर ये चैप्टर पढ़ाने वाला। इज मैटर अराउंड अस प्योर, इज मैटर अराउंड अस प्योर। Dear students, first of all, we will classify matter on the basis of chemical classification. Matter is classified into two major parts: physical classification and chemical classification. Physical classification and other is chemical classification. Physical classification includes solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and fifth one is Bose-Einstein condensate. These are the different states of matter. On the basis of chemical classification, matter is broadly classified into two major parts. One is called pure substance and another is called impure substance. Pure substance has only one kind of particles. And it is classified into two parts. Elements, it may be elements or compounds. Impure substance is also known as mixture. Mixture is of two kinds. One is called homogeneous and other is called heterogeneous. Homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous is also called true solution. Element. This element is classified under three major parts. One is called metal, other is non-metals, and elements may be metalloids. Metalloids is also called semi-metals. Compound may be organic or inorganic. Organic or inorganic. This is the classification of matter. On the basis of physical classification, matter is classified under five categories. One is called solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein condensate. These states of matter differ from each other due to difference in intermolecular forces and intermolecular species. Plasma is found in sun, stars, and interior of the heavenly bodies, celestial body. It consists of charged particles. In the previous chapter, I think you have well understood about the plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. I also discussed the distinction between solid, liquid and gas. Now, in this chapter, we shall study the chemical classification of matter. On the basis of chemical classification, matter is broadly classified into two major parts. One is called pure substance and another is called impure substance. Impure substance is also called mixture. This pure substance is of two kinds. One is called element and other is known as compound. Compound may be organic or inorganic. Elements may be metals, non-metals, metalloids or semi-metals. Metalloids are the elements which show the property of metal and non-metals both. So they are the borderline elements. Mixture is a combination of two or more substances in unequal ratio. It is classified into two major parts. One is called homogeneous and other is called heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixture is also known as true solution, and heterogeneous mixture is also impure in nature, and it is classified into two major parts. One is called suspension and other is called colloid. On the basis of the particle size, it is classified into two parts. Heterogeneous mixture is of two kinds. One is called suspension and other is called colloid. It is important to know that most of the matter around us is a mixture of two or more substances. Butter, cheese, shaving cream, hair spray, shampoo, soap, hair oil, perfumes, Dettol, toothpaste, etc. are all mixtures. All solutions are mixtures, whether it is homogeneous or heterogeneous. All solutions are mixtures. Dear students, mixture are of two types. Homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture consists of only one phase. The single phase in which homogeneous mixture is present may be solid, liquid or gas. Mixture having uniform composition and indistinguishable constituents are called homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture of metals is called alloy. You might have heard the name of brass, steel, bronze, stainless steel, and so on. These are homogeneous mass and they are called the alloys. So homogeneous mass is known as alloys. When sugar, glucose, salt, copper sulfate, etc. are dissolved in water, a homogeneous solution is obtained. Now, the solution is in liquid form and it has liquid phase, that is a state. Petrol, kerosene, diesel are homogeneous solutions having liquid phase only. All miscible liquids form homogeneous solution. The particle size of homogeneous solution is 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter is equal to 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. You know this, dear students. Air is a homogeneous mixture of O2, N2, CO2, water vapor, etc. It is important to know that all gases mix together and form homogeneous solution, provided they do not react chemically. Air has only one phase, that is gas, and hence we can say that air is a homogeneous mixture. It is important to know that all homogeneous mixtures are called solutions, and the particle size of homogeneous mixture or true solution is 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom, as you know, is equal to 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter, is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Now, it is important to know heterogeneous mixture. Mixture that do not have uniform composition are called heterogeneous mixture. They have different composition in different parts of the mixture. Heterogeneous mixture has the particle size in between 10 to the power minus 3 to 10 to the power minus 7 centimeter. This is the particle size of heterogeneous mixture. The components of a heterogeneous mixture can be seen by a naked eyes with a microscope. Dear students, a heterogeneous mixture has two or more phases. There are visible boundaries of separation between the various components of the heterogeneous mixture. Mixture of sand and water, oil and water, sand and cement, rice and wheat, even iron filings and sulfur, wood, blood, muddy water, butter, cheese, fog, mist, even shaving cream, toothpaste that we use, etc. are all examples of heterogeneous mixture. All the suspension and colloids are under the category of heterogeneous mixture. Muddy water is suspension, though cream, paste, butter, milk are the colloid. Blood is a colloid. We will study in detail all this: pure and impure substances, elements and compounds, organic, inorganic compounds, mixture, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture, metals, non-metals and metalloids. Pure substances had some characteristic that you know. A pure substance has fixed composition. This pure substance has fixed composition. It is made up of only one kind of particles, maybe the atoms, maybe the molecules. Pure substance has fixed melting point and boiling point. Pure substances cannot be seen, cannot be separated into other kinds of particles by any physical method. This is important to know. Pure substances cannot be separated into other kinds of particles by any physical method. Mixture contains more than one substance. Mixture has some characteristic. A mixture shows the characteristic property of its constituents. A mixture may be separated into constituents by physical method. A mixture does not have a fixed composition. A mixture does not have definite melting point and boiling point. A mixture may be obtained by mixing two or more substances together which do not react chemically. Here is a mixture of O2, N2, CO2 and water vapor. Iodized salt, that is Tata salt, uh, which is an active ingredient of our food material that makes food item delicious, is a mixture of sodium chloride and sodium iodide. Dear students, sugar solution, salt solution, milk, juice, soft drinks, LPG, CNG, soil, wood, tea, coffee, paints, etc. are all mixture because they contain more than one substance. Element is a pure substance made up of only one kinds of atoms. There are 118 elements known today, out of which some are metals. A majority of elements constitute metals. Few are non-metals and very few are metalloids or semi-metals. Boron, silicon, arsenic, germanium, antimony are the metalloids or semi-metals. Carbon, sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen, all the gases are non-metals. Copper, aluminium, iron, tungsten, gold, silver, these are the metals. 95% of the elements that are known today constitute metals. I think you have understood well the classification of matter, physical and chemical classification. Their definitions are relevant. I hope you have understood and you will make some question over it. You can classify the substances into pure and impure substances clearly. All the best. God bless you. Be happy. That's all today.